ये हमारी एडी एकेडमी पर करंट अफेयर्स की फर्स्ट वीडियो है, जो कि 1 मई से 9 मई तक के करंट अफेयर्स इसमें सब शो करेंगे। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए अगर आपने नहीं की है तो। करंट अफेयर्स स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ recently Axis Bank has announced to acquire 29% additional stake in Max Life Insurance for an estimated price of 1592 crores. Who is the MD and CEO of Axis Bank? Answer is Amitabh Chaudhary. Second question is, recently which of the following municipal corporation has launched mobile dispensary for pregnant women in containment zones of the city? Answer is Nagpur. Third question is, KGMU becomes the first government hospital to launch plasma therapy for COVID-19. It is located in which state? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Fourth question is, automobile giant Maruti Suzuki has developed a low-cost ventilators to fight with COVID-19. Who is the managing director and CEO of Maruti Suzuki? Answer is Kenichi Ayukawa. Question 5 is, Padam Shri award winning Bollywood actor Irfan Khan passed away. He was awarded Padam Shri for his contribution in arts and cinema in which year? Answer is 2011. Question number 6 is, which state government has announced to give rupees 50 lakh insurance cover to journalist who was reporting during the COVID-19 outbreak? Answer is Assam. Question 7 is, which Indian state has launched Jaganna Vidya Divana scheme? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 8 is, which country now handed over the hosting rights of the men's boxing championship 2021 from India? Answer is Serbia. Question number 9 is, in India, spitting in public is now an offence under which section of Disaster Management Act? Answer is Section 51. Question number 10 is, who has taken the charge as the chairman of Coal India? Answer is Pramod Agrawal. Question number 11 is, who has been elected as the president of Paralympics Committee of India? Answer is Deepa Malik. Question number 12 is, on which day International Labour Day celebrate? Answer is 1st May. Question number 13 is, who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Qatar? Answer is Deepak Mittal. Question number 14 is, which Indian state has launched Jeevan Amrit Yojana to boost immune system? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 15 is, which institute has developed COVID-19 dashboard Prakriti? Answer is IIT Delhi. Question number 16 is, who has been appointed as India's next ambassador of India to UN? Answer is T.S. Tirumurti. Question number 17 is, on which day nations celebrate Ayushman Bharat Divas? Answer is 30th April. Question number 18 is, who has been taken oath as Vigilance Commissioner in Anti-Corruption Watchdog CVC of India? Answer is Suresh N. Patil. Question number 19 is, who has been appointed as the new Chief of Public Enterprises Selection Board, that is PESB, for 3 years? Answer is Rajiv Kumar. Question number 20 is, recently former cricketer J. Arun Kumar has been named as USA head coach. J. Arun Kumar was former cricketer from which Indian state? Answer is Karnataka. Question number 21 is, according to the report released by Ministry of Rural Development, which state has stopped in providing employment to Manrega workers? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Question number 22 is, recently IIT Madras professor has been selected for Niki Asia Prize 2020 in the category of Science and Technology. Answer is Thalapil Pradeep. Question number 23 is, recently check how the black rice has received GI tag. It is found in which state? Answer is Manipur. Question number 24 is, which Indian has been honored by American Academy of Art and Sciences? Answer is Shobhana Narasimhan. Question number 25 is, recently who has been appointed as the advisor to Google Pay India? Answer is Shikha Sharma. Question number 26 is, recently the All India Institute of Ayurveda, that is AIIA, and Delhi Police launched which program for Delhi Police personnels? Answer is Ayu Raksha. Question number 27 is, what is the name of the Indian origin girl who has got the honor of naming the NASA's first Mars helicopter? Answer is Vanessa Rupani. Question number 28 is, on which day World Press Freedom Day is observed? Answer is 3rd May. Question number 29 is, recently saffron has got GI tag. It is mainly found in which state or union territory? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 30 is recently who has been appointed as the Director of National Thermal Power Corporation, that is NTPC? Answer is Ramesh Babu V. Question number 31st is, according to the report by Mercon India Research, India is at which position in terms of solar market in the world in year 2019? Answer is third position. That is, India got third position in terms of solar market. Question number 32 is, which Indian has become the first to be nominated for the Fed Cup Hurt Award from the Asian Ocean Zone? Answer is Sania Mirza. Question number 33 is, what is the rank of India in the latest ICC test ranking? Answer is third. That is third ranking in the latest ICC test. Question number 34 is, recently the Bank of Scheme Ideas Innovation and Research portal was launched by which ministry? Answer is Ministry of MSME. Question number 35 is, which university students has developed an intelligence device that will analyze if a coughing person is COVID carrier or not? Answer is Jadavpur University. Question number 36 is, which state has decided to give free insurance cover to its people? Answer is Maharashtra. Question number 37 is, which bank has releases a song Hum Haar Nahi Manenge? Answer is HDFC Bank. Question number 38 is, which state or union territory has launched CHD COVID to provide COVID-19 information? Answer is Chandigarh. Question number 39 is, which gas is leaked in LG polymer plant in Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh? Answer is stearin gas. Question number 40 is, which state has made it mandatory to download Arogya Setu app in red zones? Answer is Uttar Pradesh.